Merry Christmas. Thought we would give you a tour of our winter wonderland. Let me know what you think. All right, now we're going to go into the kitchen. A lot of these are pieces that my mom and grandmother and godmother used when I was a child, and proudly display them in my home. All right, let's go look at some more, shall we? This is our interactive Santa tree, which is a lot of fun because most of the ornaments, you can touch them, they play noises, they move, they're animated. This is one of the first ones I ever got in 1991. I guess I didn't get it then, but my parents did. This is just a lot of fun. Alright, let's go. This is Mickey's tree. Each year the boys pick their own theme on what they want their tree to be. And Mickey is one of them. We have our Mickey ski slope here. That is a lot of fun. Mickey and the gang. We have our Mickey Village. Let's head into the elf's bathroom. Santa's always ready to lend a helping hand. And once again, we have another picked tree theme, Nerf this year. We've got hundreds of darts all over this tree, and guns. Some Christmas camouflage on there. And of course our nutcrackers. If you can't tell, particularly fond of the Grinch. Oh, there's our elf watching out. And we're in the elf spa now. And we can't leave out Whoville. All right, let's go see some more. Here we go. Santa's taking a little nap on the moon there, getting all rested up for Christmas. And here's some more. Our fun ornaments. Things the boys may have made or have been given. And no guest room is complete without its own Ferris wheel. The elves are sure having a blast with this. And then here is my New York tree. It's my favorite place to visit. Every time I go, I'm buying ornaments. We've had to move it to 2 trees. One of my favorite ornaments I bought in 2000. Santa and the elves helping out there. Well, this is a playroom, so we don't go very crazy down here because I don't know how it will end up. Of course, we've got our bathroom all decked out. And now in a lot of houses, you may have the game room or the man cave. Well, in this house, we have the Christmas cave. This is Christmas all year long. It never changes, or it never comes down, it changes, but this is just a great place to come and chill out, turn the lights off, and enjoy the trees. One of my favorite Christmas movies and one of my absolute favorite villages is The Christmas Vacation. Here are our Christmas Story and Christmas Vacation trees. Mr. Elf chilling out. I love the Three Kings or the Three Wise Men, so that's something that I collect. Hope that you've enjoyed this tour of my home. I love Christmas. I love to share my love for it, and I hope that you all have enjoyed it. Hope you have a very blessed holiday and a wonderful new year.